Hey everyone, if you have been using UTM links to accurately track the performance of your campaigns, you know how awesome they are, but they can also be tedious to build, especially if you're dealing with multiple links. The good news is that you don't need to create these links manually any longer, and to top it off, you can automatically shorten a link in Integromat so that it's ready to use wherever you need to, and no one will see the untidy long URL. So let me show you how to do that. First, you'll need an Airtable and Bitly account and a general understanding of webhooks and regular expressions, or Regex. You also need to use this Airtable template, which I'll leave a link to in the description. In the webhooks custom mailhook module, add or select an existing mailhook. Then copy the address and head over to Airtable. Here, click on Automations and paste the link in the To field under Send an Email. In the UTM link field on the table, this function was added, which automatically creates the UTM link for you. Okay, back in the scenario, the text parser match pattern module follows the webhook module, which is used to parse the text received from the webhook module in order for it to be used in subsequent modules. In this case, the text is parsed to provide the URL and the record ID from Airtable. Enter this regex in the pattern field here. I'll also leave this in the description. Here in the text field, map the text element outputted by the webhooks module, as this is the text that will be passed. Moving on to the Bitly Shorten URL module, simply map the element labeled 1 from the text parser module, which contains the original URL. The last module in the scenario is the Airtable Update a Record module. Here, the shortened URL is added to the table. So select the base, the table, and map the element labeled 2, which contains the record ID from the text parser module to the record ID field here. In the shortened UTM link field, map the link element which contains the shortened link which was just created in the previous module. And that's it. The scenario is fully configured, so let's run a quick test. First, let's add a link, then a campaign, source and medium to the table. Here you see that the UTM link was automatically created by the formula in this field. Now I'll select the Create a Bitly option and give it a few seconds. And here's the shortened Bitly link that was created by the scenario. So there you go, a very useful scenario that is quite simple to create. Thanks for watching and happy automating.